My name is Olivia. I am 5 years old. I'm gonna be performing Part of Your World for the virtual talent show. Look at the stuff. Isn't it neat? Would you think my collection is complete? Would you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at the stroll, treasure untold. How many wonders can one friend hold? Looking around everything, sure, she's got everything. I got gadgets and gizmos in plenty. I got who's and what's galore. You won't think of books, I got 20, but who cares? No big deal, I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walk around those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fence, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strong rattles. Let's start again. Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wonder and free, wish I could be part of that world. What could I give if I could live out of these waters? What could I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Better when they understand that you don't recommend for daughters. Gaia women, sink us women, ready to stand. I'm ready to know what the people know. Ask my questions and get some answers. What's the fire and why does it? What's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? What did I love? Love to explore the shore above. Out of the sea. Wish I could be